Want to upgrade your camping experience? Check out these 10 camping gadgets that'll make your outdoor trips even better. This is part 2 of our camping gadget series. After watching this video, be sure to check out part 1 link below in the description. BioLite CampStove 3. The BioLite CampStove 3 is a compact wood burning stove that turns heat into electricity. It uses twigs and sticks for fuel, has a built-in fan to burn, and includes a battery to charge USB devices. At about $130, it's great for minded campers who want sustainable fuel, quick cooking, and the ability to power their devices away from the grid. Garmin inReach Mini 2. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 is a small, tough satellite messenger that lets you text both ways, send SOS alerts, and get global satellite coverage. This makes it crucial for hikers in places without cell service. It can run for up to 100 hours and share your location. This $450 gadget ensures you can talk and stay safe anywhere on Earth. Top outdoor gear experts agree it's a good buy. And that's just the start. Wait until you see the next gadget for your nighttime ease. Thermacell MR450 Portable Mosquito Repeller. The Thermacell 450 Portable Mosquito Repeller sets up a silent, scentless barrier spanning 15 by 15 feet. It uses heat to activate repellent mat, which a rechargeable battery powers. This makes it perfect to eat outdoors or go camping. You can buy it for about $60. It weighs little, doesn't use chemicals, and keeps mosquitoes away well. Each fuel cartridge lasts up to 12 hours, so campers find it handy and safe to use. VSSL Flask Flashlight. The VSSL Flask flashlight combines a bright LED light with a 7 ounces insulated container. This tough stainless steel tool costs about $80 and keeps water out. Its sleek look and 2-in-1 design save room and make things easier on camping trips, letting you light your way and stay hydrated without using your hands. Osprey Ultralight Stuff Pack. The Osprey Ultralight Stuff Pack is a very light foldable backpack that holds 18 liters and fits into its own pocket. It's made from strong, water-resistant 40 denier ripstop nylon and costs around $50. This pack has comfy mesh straps for your shoulders, several pockets, and a small size that works well for day hikes or as a backup bag for short trips. What device would you like to take on your next adventure? Share your precious thoughts in the comments. Anker Nebula Capsule 2 Smart Mini Projector. The Anker Nebula Capsule 2 Smart Mini Projector is a small, cylinder-shaped projector with 200 lumens brightness, 720p HD resolution, and Android TV OS to stream over 5,000 apps. It costs about $580 and has wireless connectivity, a built-in 8-watt speaker, autofocus, and provides portable entertainment ideal for movie nights by the campfire and group activities outdoors. MalloMe Camping Cookware Set. The MalloMe Camping Cookware Set gives you everything you need in a light package. It includes non-stick pots and pans made of anodized aluminum, plus utensils with handles that fold up. All of this fits in a bag you can carry. You'll pay about $45 for this set. It's tough, doesn't take up much space, and cleans up. You can cook all sorts of meals with it when you're hiking or at your campsite. Want to make your campsite feel like home? Check out what's coming next. BioLite HeadLamp 330. The BioLite HeadLamp 330 gives you 330 lumens of light and has a rechargeable battery. You can switch between different lighting modes, including a red light for night vision. It comes with a comfy headband that wicks away sweat. You'll pay about $50 for this lamp. It lasts a long time on one charge, stands up to the elements with a splash-resistant 4 rating, and lets you adjust the light to suit your needs. This makes it great for hiking at night or doing stuff around your campsite. Vargo Titanium Spork. Vargo makes this spork out of pure titanium. It's super light at just half an ounce and has a smooth, shiny finish, so it feels good in your mouth. It costs around $15. This tool combines a fork and spoon in one, doesn't rust, and takes up any space. Campers and backpackers who like to pack light will love this spork. Goal Zero Venture 75 Power Bank. The Goal Zero Venture 75 Power Bank packs a 19,200 mAh punch in a tough waterproof shell. This external battery comes with USB-C and 2 USB-A ports to charge your devices, and you'll pay about $130 for this power bank, which boasts an IP67 rating and a design that won't crack under pressure. It even has a built-in 50 lumen light, making it a solid choice for reliable power on long outdoor adventures. That's 10 awesome camping gadgets that could spark a revolution in your next outdoor trip. So tell us, which gadget would you throw in your backpack? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button.